You can create groups for your unit types in Storganize, which are added to the booking flow in your customer portal. These groups are often used to categorize unit types by size, such as small, medium, and large. You could also organize them by features like ground floor versus second floor units, or any other unique or creative categories for your operation. One key advantage of using unit type groups is that they help simplify your booking portal, especially if you offer a wide range of unit options. This way, customers won't have to scroll through a long list of individual unit types. In the management portal, unit type groups are set up at the site level, meaning you can have different group options for each location. To create a unit type group, start by clicking on the site, then navigate to the Details tab. Scroll down to the Unit Type Groups section and click the plus button to create your first group. In the window that opens, enter a title and an optional subtitle. Here is an example of how these titles will appear in the booking portal. Next, enter a code, which will be visible in the URL path when customers filter by this group. Finally, set an order number to control the sequence in which groups appear. For example, entering 1 will place that group first, after the All button, followed by 2, and so on. Once you've filled in these details, click Create Unit Type Group. You can repeat this process to create as many groups as you need for this site. Once your groups are set up, the next step is to assign a group to each unit type. To do this, go to the Unit Types tab and select a unit type. In the Unit Type Details section, click Edit. At the top of the Update Unit Type window, you'll see an option for Group. By default, all unit types are assigned to the None group. Click the drop-down menu and select the appropriate group for this unit type, then click Update Unit Type. You can repeat this for all the unit types at this location. Once you've applied groups to each unit type, your setup is complete. To see this in action, head to your customer portal, where you'll now find these unit type groups displayed on the unit type selection page.